Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing our typical Sunday reset. It has been a long last couple of days. Everybody has been sick. Some of us are still actively sick, but the show must go on. We've got to get the house clean. I've got the girls working on cleaning their rooms right now, and I am going to be resetting the rest of the house just to get us prepared for the week. If you are new here, welcome. This is the channel for all things homeschooling, homemaking, and motherhood, and I am so glad that you guys have joined us today. So let's jump right in. So as you could see in my intro, I am in my bedroom and she's a mess. So this is where I'm starting with. We're gonna start in the master bedroom, and then we're gonna move into the master bathroom, get everything clean and tidy. It's not horrible in here. Trust me, you guys have seen worse in my other video. I will actually link that on whichever side it comes up. You guys can go watch the master bedroom disaster video where my room was fully trashed. So this is light work, honestly. So I didn't film myself cleaning the bathroom, but this is the before, very messy, and here is the after. Looking real good. Oh, there I am in the mirror. Hi. Now I have moved on to the living room and just getting that taken care of. I feel like I have to clean my living room like 3,000 times a day because there are just toys, there are clothes, like everybody just drops all their stuff off in the living room, and then I'm left to clean it up, and it's a lot sometimes. One thing that I've been trying to do to control the amount of toys we have in the living room is switch my son's toys out every week. Sometimes I go past a week and it might be like 2 weeks, but I feel like not only does that help me maintain that space and just make sure that there are not toys everywhere, but it also keeps him really interested because it's always something new. So I've just been trying to keep up with that lately, and it seems to be working.
You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow.
When I am done cleaning a space, I like to put a diffuser on. So this time, because we've all been sick, these are the 3 that I've been using. I will post the link in the description box. But I filmed this video, if you don't know, like 2 weeks ago. This actual day was the day that I got sick, and I didn't feel it until later on in the night. So it took me a very long time to do this voiceover because your girl was real sick and my voice sounded terrible. But you know, here I am getting it done, doing this voiceover, and I'm feeling much better. And you know, it's been a time. It's really been a time ever since we went on the vacation to the indoor water park. We have just gone through it.
Let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. You can watch me.
Y'all, this drying rack is the best drying rack that I've ever used. I will post the link to it in my description box, but it's a bamboo drying rack and it folds up like so. And it comes with the little thing that you put your silverware into, which I love. I finished the kitchen and now it is time for dinner. Again, I filmed this video 2 weeks ago, so like I have no idea what I'm making. Oh, okay, it's chicken. So we're just gonna go through this together. Oh, I remember. So this was just like a simple 1-pan meal because I just did not, again, I wasn't feeling good. I didn't feel like making a whole like big old dinner. So this is what I did. I just cut up some chicken breast in half, cut up some carrots and some potatoes, and then I believe in this dish I used this garlic Parmesan sauce that is right there. Sweet Baby Ray's, so good if you haven't had it. And I just put it on the chicken as the marinade and cooked it like that. I think this took maybe 30 minutes. Oh, if you don't have that Kinder's, the blend, it's like garlic powder, salt and pepper. It is the best. But anyways, this meal was super easy, very quick, and then I just tossed a salad on the side and we were good to go. And the kids loved it. I loved it. It was just very quick and easy. And I think as moms, you know, when you're sick, anything that's quick and easy is the way to go.
You can watch me grow. You can watch me grow.
And here is your daily water reminder. If you are like me and you are very dehydrated like all of the time because you just don't get enough water, here's your reminder. Grab your cup, fill it up, have a couple of sips, and just take care of yourself. Ooh, and just like that, we are ready for dinner. This, I'm telling you, this was such a good meal. And I will just post like the basic recipe in the description box because 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I know I said it a million times before, but it's quick and it's easy and it's delicious and it is absolutely kid approved. I have been very much enjoying making my own dressing for our salads. I feel like it's just much healthier and I know what's in it. There's no like preservatives or like weird ingredients. This one was super easy. It's olive oil and balsamic vinegar with some other seasonings. And as usual, I will put the recipe for this in the description box.
You can watch me grow.
All right, that's it for today's video. Thanks again for tuning in and spending some time with us, helping me get the house reset for the week. To get notified when I post new videos, hit the bell. I post 2 to 3 times a week. All things homeschooling, homemaking, and motherhood. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.